Ever pondered about how to cultivate potatoes in grow bags? Today, we're diving deep into this intriguing gardening method. It's a simple, efficient process that offers myriad benefits. Grow bags provide superior aeration, allowing your potatoes to breathe freely. They also enable easy temperature control, ensuring your spuds are always in their comfort zone. Plus, their mobility means you can move your potato garden as needed, chasing the sun or escaping the frost. So, strap in and get ready to become a master at growing potatoes in grow bags. To embark on this potato growing journey, you first need to gather your tools, starting with seed potatoes, the foundation of your future harvest. Then grow bags, your potatoes' cozy home. Compost is next, serving as the nutritious meal for your budding spuds. Lastly, don't forget water, the life-giving elixir. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the successful growth of your potatoes. They are the cast of characters in the story of your garden's bounty. Once you have all these items at hand, you can proceed to the next step. Now that you have everything ready, it's time to plant your potatoes. Grab your grow bag and start filling it with compost. Aim for about 1/3 of the bag's height. This will provide a good base for your potatoes to start growing. Next, it's time to place your seed potatoes. If your grow bag is of average size, around 3 to 4 seed potatoes will do. This ensures enough space for each potato to grow without competing for nutrients. Now let's talk about planting depth. Make a hole, about 4 inches deep, for each of your seed potatoes. Place them with the eyes or sprouts facing upwards. This is where the new growth will emerge from. Once you've positioned your seed potatoes, cover them with another layer of compost, about 2 inches deep. This will protect your potatoes and give them a cozy environment to start their growth journey. With your seed potatoes safely tucked into the grow bags, you're halfway through the process. Planting the potatoes is just the beginning. The real work starts now. Caring for your potatoes means ensuring they get the right amount of water. Typically, watering once a week should suffice, but if the weather is particularly hot, you might need to water them more frequently. Remember, the soil should be moist, not waterlogged. Sunlight is another crucial factor. Potatoes love the sun, so make sure your grow bags are in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Don't forget about the compost. As your potatoes grow, continue to add compost around the stems. This not only provides nutrients but also ensures more potatoes. Now let's talk about common potato diseases. Keep an eye out for any changes in your plants. Yellowing leaves could indicate a disease like blight. If you spot something unusual, don't panic. There are many organic solutions available to help your potatoes recover. With diligent care, you'll see your potatoes flourish in no time. After weeks of care, it's finally time to reap the fruits of your labor. The potato plants signal readiness for harvest when their foliage yellows and wilts. Gently loosen the soil around the plant with your hands, taking care not to damage the tubers. Remember, potatoes can be harvested at different stages. New potatoes are small, tender, and perfect for salads, while mature potatoes have thick skins and are great for baking or frying. And there you have it, your very own homegrown potatoes. Growing potatoes in grow bags is a simple and rewarding process. We've walked through the steps together, gathering materials, planting the potatoes, caring for them, and finally, the joy of harvesting. Each stage is crucial to ensuring a bountiful yield. The benefits of this method are clear. It's convenient, space-saving, and ideal for beginners. It's time to put this knowledge into practice. Don't wait any longer. Start your potato growing journey today and enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own potatoes. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.